Alright, now will be a very good time to leave. Now will be an extremely good time to leave. What was that? Bruh.
Pelican-1, landing in progress. Countdown initiated. Stand by for takeoff.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Oh, where did this go?
I just saw the Pelican went in the air. I'm dead.
Oh my god.
Wait, Death left.
It literally obliterated him. It obliterated
It went up in
him.
the air.
It obliterated
It just
him.
got.
Death got disintegrated.